In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create an angle symbol in Microsoft Word using the built-in equation editor. This is a handy skill, especially if you're working on documents that require mathematical notation or geometric symbols. Let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word document where you need to insert the angle symbol. Whether you're starting a new project or editing an existing one, having your document ready makes it easier to follow along. Once your document is open, take a look at the top of your Word window. You'll notice a series of tabs: Home, Insert, Design, Layout, and so forth. Now click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding a variety of elements to your document, such as pictures, links, and symbols. Once you're in the Insert tab, you're going to focus on the section towards the right called Symbols, which is specifically for inserting various symbols and equations that aren't normally found on the keyboard. Locate and click on the equation option within this symbol section. By doing this, you'll open up a box specifically designed for equations. This box is essentially your canvas for adding a diverse range of mathematical symbols and notation directly into your document. It's like having a mathematical toolkit right at your fingertips. Next, in this newly opened equation box, you're going to type / followed by the word angle. It should look like this: /ANGLE. After typing this, hit the spacebar on your keyboard. This action is like pressing Enter or Go. It instructs Word to transform the text you've input into the corresponding symbol, which in this case is the angle symbol. It's a quick trick that saves you time and keeps your document neatly formatted. And just like that, you've successfully inserted an angle symbol into your document. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly enhance the quality of your work, especially if you're frequently dealing with technical writing or academic papers that require such typography. So that's all there is to it. Following these steps allows you to easily add an angle symbol or any number of other mathematical or scientific symbols into your Word documents efficiently. I hope you found this instruction clear and helpful. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips and tricks to streamline your digital tasks.